In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Howto Schema in Rank Math. If you publish tutorials or step-by-step guides, this is a simple way to help search engines understand your content and potentially unlock rich results on Google. We'll keep it straightforward and practical. Start by opening the post or page where you want your how-to guide to appear. You can use an existing article or create a new one. Just make sure you're in the editor for the specific piece you want to enhance. Once you're there, click the plus icon to add a new block. This is the standard Add Block button in the editor. In the block search, type How To. From the results, choose the How-To Schema block by Rank Math. Adding this block is the key step. It gives you a structured, fill-in-the-blanks layout that maps directly to How-To Schema behind the scenes. You're not just formatting content, you're providing explicit signals that search engines can read. Now fill in the fields. Start with the final image. This is an optional but highly recommended visual showing what the finished result should look like. Pick a clear, high-quality image that represents success at a glance. A clean, uncluttered photo can instantly convey what readers will achieve, and it helps your guide stand out. Next, write the main description. Think of this as the brief summary of what the guide covers and why it's useful. Aim for 1 or 2 concise sentences that set expectations. Keep it plain language and actionable. Then build your steps. Add one step at a time, giving each step a short directive title and a clear description of what to do. Keep your instructions sequential and use the same style throughout, like present tense imperative sentences. If an image helps clarify a step, include it. Visuals reduce ambiguity and make your guide more user-friendly. Avoid vague phrases. Instead of saying adjust as needed, be as specific as possible so readers can follow without guessing. When everything looks good, publish or update the post. That's all you need to do inside the editor. Rank Math automatically generates the how-to structured data based on what you entered, so you don't have to paste any code. Over time, search engines can pick up this structured data and may display your guide with enhanced formatting in search results. Remember that discovery and eligibility for rich results are determined by search engines and can take time. That's it. Clean, clear, and ready to help your tutorials perform better. If you follow these steps, you'll have a polished how-to guide that's both reader-friendly and search-friendly.